Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's Dom here with SteelKnight CNC. I know it's been a while since I posted a video. It is getting a little bit rough because I got to build a lot of stuff and it's kind of hard of filming and getting in the way. Anyways, I just installed the gears up top for the Z-axis. So let me show you the gears first, what I'm working with.
Yeah, baby.
Alright, so this is the gears I'm working with. I believe it's a 72 tooth to a 20 tooth, I think. But anyways, this is a NEMA 34 stepper motor. I think it's pulling 9 Newton meters. And the ratio of these two, they don't necessarily match 100% like a 1 or a 2 to 1 or for an example.
Yeah, baby.
Alright. So right here we got the Masso up and running, and I'm going to show you something on the screen, and I'm going to show you what I did on the Z-axis to help you guys make sure that your steps are in order 100% of the way. Alright, so we got here is a very straight piece of aluminum on the fixed side of the Z-axis, and then I went ahead and used a C-clamp, a very large one, to Z-clamp the ruler here. And what I pretty much am doing is I will be lining this top of the edge up with the 1. This is 1 centimeter, and the reason why I do that is because my ruler is actually bent at the tip. So as we go up to the top, I'll show you what happens. Alright, so we're in the Masso G3 controller here. So we're going to go over to F1, double click on Z. You want to make sure your motor distance revolution, that's the one we're going to be working on. Make sure your drive pulses is whatever you have your stepper motor controller set for. Mine is set for 800 revolutions. Maximum feed rate is 5,000. I'm going to change that as not 5,000. It's like close to 3,200. But this is just for demonstration purposes. So what I'm going to do is hit save. Actually, we're going to go to Wizard. Sorry, Wizard. We're going to go look at F3. It says minus 92.5. We're going to go back over, hit 0. Go back up to F3 and hit 0 there. So now what we want to do is... So I'm not too entirely sure where these flashes of lights is coming from. It's kind of annoying me. But anyways, I got my trusty MPG here, and I'm going to make it go up. Or down in this case. And I want to put it straight on 2100 or 21 centimeters, which is 2,100 millimeters. We're almost there. And I'm just going to now take it down to the line. Alright. So you can see it's right on the line of 2100. And as we come back over here, look what it says now. Minus 7,000 or 759.744. So how you're going to do this is you're going to go into your F1 setup. Click here, and we're going to put 200 millimeters. Hit calibrate. And it's going to calibrate to that number. That is now your new distance for revolution, because I cannot, for the life of me, calculate that right now, plus the ball screw. So that's why they have an internal wizard here. And what we're going to do is just hit save, and look what happens when we go back into, now it says 200 here. We're going to drop it down. So you guys are going to have to trust me on this. So now I'm going to bring it down. Right there, it says minus 6.5. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back into F1. Go back into the wizard, hit 0. And we're going to have to do this one more time. So I'm going to go up to 2100 centimeters, or 21 centimeters again. And then we're going to put in 193.591. 193 point. Forgot what it was. 591. 591. Calibrate. Save. So pretty much that's all you're going to do to get your machine correct. Alright, so we're going to hit save. Go back over. And what we're going to do is we're going to bring up the Z-axis again. Let's see if you guys can't see that. To where it needs to go. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit, oh look at that, it's perfect, the 0.073. But just to double verify for a third time, we're going to go back over here, Z-axis, hit wizard again, hit 0, go back over, and we're just going to go right back up to the 21 centimeters. I think it was too fast. Alright, so I had to restart the system because I was too fast and it kicked out the closed loop stepper motor. So it's going to want to do a home, so we got to go home first. Okay, so it came back down 15 millimeters. So what I want to do now is go into my jog mode to put this back down over here. So now we're going to go back into here, so it's 31, minus 31, whatever. That's because we went further down. But go in here, Z-axis, double tap. We're going to leave this the same. We're going to just go into wizard, hit 0. Cancel first because I want to drop down the acceleration by 1,000, so 4,000. Sorry, not acceleration, speed. So now we're going to go back into Z-axis, wizard, 0, and go back over here. And now I just want to it's pretty much dead on. I gotta fine tune it. I'm gonna look again. There we go. Alright, this works on any type of controller board that's out there. I'm just using Masso G3, so if you guys found this video helpful, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share the video because it helps the algorithm out, and also drop a comment below on what you would do